Well, more rain on the way tonight, and then we have a fairly decent weekend shaping up. Let's get you to those three key things. And some of the downpours tonight could be quite heavy, leading to the potential of some locations getting over an inch of rain. Mostly dry this weekend. We'll put up that weekend forecast coming up in just a few minutes. Even when we have all the clouds around, this is still a nice view here of the Newport Bridge down by the City by the Sea, and in North Kingstown we have the overcast skies with temperatures running in the upper 50s. We're 58 in Providence, 57 in Smithfield, 57 Newport, 59 in Westerly, 58 right now on Block Island. Breezes out of the southeast right now at 6 miles an hour in Providence, 6 in Newport, 7 Westerly, 8 on Block Island, with our weather station in Cumberland reporting 59 degrees. So notice all the clouds around on the satellite picture. You may get a few gaps of sunshine here and there. In fact, you could see one developing approaching perhaps the Charlestown area, but this will be the exception rather than the rule, and that's because we have a stationary front draped across southern New England. This means a couple things. It means the clouds this afternoon. It also means this will act like a train track for more storms to visit southern New England. The next one will be the center of low pressure that will ride right along that front and give us that dose of rain for tonight. So let's walk you through that part of the forecast. This is around 8 p.m. This is when I expect most of the showers to get going. And notice all the specks of yellow and red. That indicates scattered downpour. So it does not mean it's raining the entire night, but when it comes down, it could come down quite hard, up to around an inch an hour, maybe even harder than that. So keep that in mind. Overnight into around 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, still some downpours around, but here is where the timing works out on our side. By the morning commute tomorrow, notice how the precipitation is gone and we are left with partly sunny skies. So we pretty much miss out on the evening commute tonight and the morning commute tomorrow. A lot of this falling while most of us should be heading home, or at least most of us should be home by that point. So the timing convenience, will take that. Now, as we head into the weekend, there are some showers in the forecast. However, certainly not a washout on any of the weekend days. I wanted to show you just sort of an idea of what we can expect in terms of rainfall amounts. And this really paints a pretty realistic picture. I think most spots between about ½ an inch to an inch, but notice the stripes of blue and purple. Those are the areas where you could see some localized street flooding. Tough to say exactly where that would be right now, but you could have some neighborhoods which do get that localized street flooding, and another neighborhood just a mile away gets none of that and has a very manageable rain situation. So that's really the story as we head into the overnight hours with the rain. Temperatures today in the low 60s to upper 50s along the south coast, with those breezes coming in from the south, around 58 in Charlestown. Northern Rhode Island temperatures in the mid 60s, 64 Johnston, 63 Scituate, and 65 in West Warwick. And in eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also running the 60s, 61 Attleboro, 62 Seekonk, 62 in Fall River by the time we get to the afternoon. We'll probably top out in the upper 60s before that, though, during the early part of the afternoon. On the water, waves around 1 to 2 feet with those breezes out of the south at around 5 to 10 knots. So overnight showers with periods of downpours. Temperatures actually rising a little bit. Then notice in the 7-day forecast, it's not a bad Friday, 78 degrees, Saturday 76. Then on Sunday, yes, there will be a chance of some showers, but I think those will be arriving fairly late in the day. They will be moving in from the west and northwest during the day on Sunday, and then showers on Monday with temperatures in the low 70s. So fairly comfortable temperatures as we head into the weekend. But much like last night, Danielle, more showers on the way tonight. And if you want to track the showers and downpours, you can download the WPRI Pinpoint weather app. That's actually a great tool to have with you tonight, because you can actually see where the downpours are and where the regular old rain showers are.
All right, Pete, thank you for the update. And now we want to let you know we're working on